Detroit, Michigan, 1981. A man named Robert Hayes sits inside his car outside a factory gate that no longer opens. The engine is off. It has been off for a while. He is 42 years old. For 20 years, he worked inside that factory. Same shift, same machine, same routine. He built parts that went into cars he could never afford. But it paid enough to buy a house, enough to raise 2 kids, enough to believe things would stay stable. That was the deal. Work hard, stay loyal, and the system will take care of you. But now the gate is locked, and nobody told him it would end like this. Inside that factory, machines are still there, but the jobs are gone, moved, shifted, outsourced. No announcement, no warning, just silence. Robert sits there because he still hasn't processed it, because for him, this wasn't just a job, it was identity. And now, it's gone. At the same time, across the country, something bigger is happening. Interest rates are rising, inflation is climbing, the cost of everything is going up, but wages are not. In fact, for many people, they're going down, not in numbers, but in power. Because money is losing value faster than people can earn it, and slowly, quietly, a shift begins. Not a crash, not a collapse, but a transformation. The American dream doesn't disappear, it changes shape, and most people don't notice it happening, because it doesn't happen all at once. It happens piece by piece. First, stability disappears. Jobs that once lasted decades become temporary. Loyalty stops mattering. Experience stops guaranteeing security. Then, costs rise. Housing becomes harder to afford. Education becomes more expensive. Healthcare becomes unpredictable. And savings start losing meaning. People begin to feel something they can't fully explain. A quiet pressure, a constant stress, a sense that no matter how hard they work, it's not enough anymore. But here's the part nobody talks about. This wasn't random. This wasn't just bad luck. This was structural. Because while millions of people were losing stability, a different system was rising, a system based on movement, on flexibility, on risk, where security was replaced with opportunity, and opportunity came with uncertainty. Some people adapted. They learned new skills. They moved to new industries. They took risks, and they grew. But most people did what they were taught. Stay safe, avoid risk, hold on. And that's where the gap began, not between rich and poor, but between those who adapted and those who didn't. Robert Hayes never left Detroit. He kept looking for the same kind of job, the kind that no longer existed. Years passed. The factory never reopened. The savings ran out. The house became harder to maintain. And eventually, the system he trusted moved on without him, but somewhere else. Another man made a different choice. Same time, same country, same conditions. But when the system changed, he changed with it. He didn't wait for stability to return. He built something new. And that is the difference history remembers. Because systems don't fail everyone equally. They reward adaptation and they punish hesitation. Today, the same pattern is happening again. Different time, different tools, same structure. Jobs are changing, industries are shifting, technology is replacing certainty, and once again, people are being told to stay safe, to wait, to trust the system. But history already answered that. The system doesn't wait for you. It moves, with or without you. So the real question is not, is the system fair? The real question is, are you ready to move when it does? Because the next Robert Hayes is not a story from the past. It's someone living right now. And the only difference will be the choice they make.